Let's consider the demand function d of x equal to 500 minus x, and we want to begin by finding the elasticity. Now our equation or formula for elasticity looks like a negative x times d prime of x all divided by d of x. So we need the derivative of the demand function. So taking the derivative, d prime of x, of the function given to us, the derivative is just negative 1. So now plugging everything into the elasticity function, we have e of x equal to a negative x times the derivative, which was negative 1, all divided by the demand function, which is 500 minus x. Now when we simplify this, we have x divided by 500 minus x. For part B, we want to find the elasticity at the price x equal to 38 and state whether the demand is elastic or inelastic. So here we're going to take and plug 38 into our elasticity function. So plugging 38 in, we have 38 divided by 500 minus 38, which simplifies to be 38 over 462, which reduces to 19 over 231. Since this is less than 1, we can say that E of 38 is less than 1, then the demand is inelastic. The demand being inelastic means that an increase in price will bring an increase in revenue. So in this case, revenue is increasing. For part C, we want to find the values of x for which total revenue is a maximum. So here, keep in mind, revenue is maximized when the elasticity of demand is equal to 1. So here we're going to set our elasticity of demand equal to 1 and solve. So we're setting x divided by 500 minus x, which we found in part A, setting that equal to 1, and now we're going to solve for x. So we can multiply both sides by the denominator, 500 minus x. When we do that, we're going to have x equal to 500 minus x. Adding x to both sides, 2x equals 500. Dividing both sides by 2, x equals 250. We are told to assume that x is in dollars. So when the price is $250, we have a total revenue that is maximized, and we can also say that the ratio of percent in quantity to the percent change in price is 1. And that is what the elasticity of demand is. It's the ratio of the percent in quantity to that percent in change in price. And when that is equal to 1, we have unit elasticity, and the revenue is maximized.